is Obalesh. Welcome to my channel, Bread of Knowledge. I'm here to share practical tips to help you grow, starting with today's topic, 5 simple finance habits to build wealth in 2025. Whether you're new to money management or leveling up, these habits work for anyone. Let's dive in and explore how small steps can lead to big wins. 5 simple finance habits to build wealth in 2025. I used to think building wealth was for the lucky or the rich, until I started small habits that actually worked. In 2025, with costs rising and opportunities shifting, these 5 simple steps can set you up for financial success. They're easy, practical, and don't need a big paycheck. Here's what I've learned works. Automate your savings. The easiest way to build wealth, make it automatic. Set your bank to transfer 10% of your income to a savings or investment account monthly. Apps like Acorns or Chime even round up purchases and invest the change. It's painless. You save before you spend. Even $50 a month grows over time with interest. Start small, but start now. Track every penny. You can't grow what you don't know. Tracking spending with a spreadsheet or Mint shows where your money's going. In 2025, with inflation still around, spotting that $200 on takeout could shift you to cooking more. This isn't about guilt, it's about control. Redirect those leaks to savings or debt payoff. Pay off high-interest debt fast. High-interest debt like 20% APR credit cards eats wealth before it starts. In 2025, use the avalanche method. Hit the highest rate first while covering minimums elsewhere. An extra $100 monthly on a $5,000 balance at 18% could save over $1,000 in interest. Free that cash up, and you're ready to invest instead of owe. Invest early and often. Waiting to invest costs you big. In 2025, even $25 a week in low-cost index funds like S&P 500 ETFs can grow. Historically, they average 7 to 10% yearly returns. Platforms like Robinhood or Fidelity make it fee-free and simple. Consistency beats perfection. A $1,000 investment now could hit $2,700 in a decade. Time's your ally. Learn one new money skill. Knowledge builds wealth's foundation. In 2025, pick one skill, tax basics, negotiating a raise, or crypto 101. Free resources like YouTube, Try Graham Stephan, or podcasts, The Money Guy Show, are packed with value. A 5% raise from negotiation could add thousands yearly. Keep learning, keep growing. These habits don't need a finance degree, just discipline. Automate savings, track spending, crush debt, invest regularly, and learn more. In 2025, with markets evolving, these small moves can become your wealth-building machine. I've started, will you? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment.